Hello, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make garlic shrimp scampi. Heat oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Then add shrimp and cook for about a couple minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Then add garlic and onions and cook for another 2 minutes. Add cherry tomatoes and cook for another 2 minutes. Then add white wine to deglaze the pan. Stir in butter, basil, chili flakes, and lemon juice. Adjust seasonings. Serve over your favorite pasta noodles or with garlic bread. For these recipes and more, visit KTASuperstores.com/recipes.